This 5-minute solution will show you how to check the Discord server status from mobile. So if your Discord not working or not opening and now you want to check the Discord server, follow the steps and the process will be similar for Android and iPhone user. So first of all, open your browser and type Discord status. Open Discord status, and here if you see this message, all systems operational, it means Discord servers doesn't have any issue, it's working properly. So that's how we can check Discord server status. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.